This is going to be my review of the Northerntool Powerhorse item number 49433 floor surface cleaner. Basically, it's got two nozzles under here on a rotating bearing. There is a ball bearing in here. They give you nozzles that come installed, plus they give another set of replacement nozzles. Plus, they give two more sets of replacement O-rings for the bearing. There is a high pressure filter in here. There's cleaning instructions for that in the manual. The only thing that you don't get with this is you don't get a wand. You don't get a handle. This is the end of it. Typically, a handle will have some sort of not a quick connect, but an easily threadable thing. And then the hardware to fasten this. So I'm going to get this fastened on here. That goes in there like that with an O-ring. And since it is O-ring, I'm not going to crank on it a lot. So these are 13 millimeter, these are 10 millimeter. All of this really tenacious moss. That's kind of why I wanted the 3000 PSI, because that stuff is very difficult to remove. So I'm going to compare using the regular high pressure nozzle with using this. Pump is off, water is off. Okay, didn't even need a wrench. Wow, I am so impressed with this thing. Wow, I never thought that would work that well. That is a huge time saver. This thing is awesome. Oh, wow. I never thought I would be that happy with this purchase. This is the way to do it. I can't believe how it got all that moss right off of there. That moss is so tenacious. Wow, I'm so happy. So I'm using this with the Northstar 230 volt, 3000 psi, 2.5 gallon per minute pressure washer. So what you're seeing here is performance based on that specification of pressure washer. So this is back in the garage, and getting rust off the floor, off my epoxy floor, is particularly difficult. It did a pretty good job. Now the rest of this is spring cleaning. So this is a winter's worth of road salt, road grime. I don't have a paved driveway, so it's dirt and mud from the spring in the driveway and mixed with road salt. It's you can't just use a hose and a squeegee and get it nice and clean like that. I'm very happy with this purchase. I definitely recommend this, especially if you have an epoxy floor in a garage like I've got. I don't know what it would look like on a regular concrete floor. It probably wouldn't clean up as quickly as an epoxy floor, but what a huge time saver. And if it's saving me time, it's saving me water. And just so happy with this purchase. So that's my review of the Powerhorse 12-inch surface cleaner, item number 49433 at Northerntool. Definitely worth the purchase. Definitely recommend it. Very happy with this pressure washer accessory. Thanks for watching.